Canva Quiz Maker. How to create a quiz on Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fun, engaging quizzes using Canva's Quiz Maker tool. Whether you're a teacher, coach, or content creator, this tutorial will walk you step by step through building your own quiz inside Canva in 2025. So let's not waste any more time and directly get onto the making quiz with Canva. So first of all, you need to search for canva.com and click on create a design. So let's create a design. So I've already typed quiz. You can again type quiz and it will show you which format do you want to make the quiz. So here is some quiz presentation, quiz Instagram story, TikTok video, teacher meme, and many more. So I'll just go with quiz presentation 16:9 ratio. So it now took me to some templates. Here I can see there are many templates like math quiz B, day and night, function notation, function squeeze, how to be good friend. So let us select one. Mm, won't select the pro one. We will use some free. All about teacher data, proofreading checklist. Let me just select one like how to be a good friend. Then let's choose day and night. So when we apply all pages, you can see it has opened all 15 pages, I think. Yes. And we can now change and edit it as our liking content. We will go to ChatGPT and ask for give me 5 quiz for children. And as you can see, this gave me some quizzes related to general knowledge, like what is the capital of France. It also gave me all the options here and the answer, of course. So we can, oh, it also gave me some categories like animal and science, English or spelling. So as you can see, you can collect the content ideas from ChatGPT and just paste the content, copy paste the content to Canva to make the quiz. So let's now go to the tonight review quiz. Let it be like this, and will you like what is the capital of France? What's the capital of France? Let's stretch it and make the size smaller. Will look good. Let's stretch it for now. Capital of France. Okay, more smaller. It to the jaws. Capital of France, and then we can add the options here. So let's copy the options into London. Okay, so I have pasted the options here, and I'll take it London, Paris, and I'll delete this part and stretch it more. Can also change the font. here. No need to, the font is more sugar. You can also change it like this. Let us make it for the children, as our audience is the children, and it should look more fun to watch. Okay, we don't need to do that more complicated. Okay, then let it be. And what is the capital of France? Let's just move this here. We can also add some elements here. As you can see, we can just add some boxes right here for looking good. As the answer is, what's the answer? The answer is Paris. We can also add this tick mark here as it's the answer, and it will look like this. Okay, and we can also add some more elements here, as you can please. So you can now do that on the other parts, like here. You can just select how many legs does the spider have. Let's just select it and paste it here, and let's select the font. Try to make the font similar every time, so it will look good and professional. And we can also make it look bigger. Okay, do that, and let us give the options, and just copy and add text, right? Add text. Let's add the text here. Add the text outside here. Now we will change the font like the previous one. We'll choose this one. Okay. We can now let the size bigger, and this one here, and yes. As you please, I can just use elements. In the last one, I had this one, so let me just use this one. What was the answer? The answer was 8 still. You can also keep a empty box and clickable. As a kid clicks it, it will take the right if you want. But as I am making a quiz that will be on a video form, so I will just use this one. So I can also do that. How many legs does a spider have? 6, 8, 10, the option, and then pause for 2 to 3 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then I can use this tick mark, right? I can do that. And on the remaining one, you can also add the other questions here. I will not do that now, uh, as the video will be getting bigger and it will not look good, and you will also get bored. So now let me give you some tips that Canva elements or shapes can be used to stimulate radio buttons or score boxes, and this will transform your Canva quiz into a clickable experience perfect for PDF downloads, email funnels, or interactive storytelling. So now, if you want to make a printable quiz for classes or events, how you should do it. So let me tell you that you can use A4 or use later site layout, and add name and date fields, add checkboxes or blanks for answers, leave space at the bottom for feedback or grading. And now let's export the quiz. So for exporting, as you know, we'll go to the share option and we'll click on the download, and it's already suggesting me to download it on PDF standard. So you can also PDF print, PPTX, and MP4 video and all, but I'll just go for PDF standard and just download it. And you can also select the pages you want to download. Like here, I have got 1 to 15 page. I can just customize it that I don't want every pages. So I'll just go 1 to 10. It will download 1 to 10. And if I type 1 to 7, it will just download 1 to 7. So let's get it 1 to 7 and then download. It's now downloading, and I'll suggest you to always use PDF print if you are going to use this quiz as offline. And if you want to make it for mobile Instagram stories or reels, use resize. But the resize option will need the pro version to format as 1080 into 1920 px. So let me also give you some bonus use cases and tips. For teachers, classroom tests, homework, and revision sheets uh, can be also made with this. And for coaches, lead magnets, onboarding quizzes, and Instagram creators, pick a number stories with answers would be a good content for making. And you can also make product quizzes, email funnel entry points, and add your email on website on the last page as a CTA. And you can also use fun icons, timers, or result messages to make more dynamic. So that's how you create a custom quiz using Canva in 2025 from scratch or using templates, whether you're printing it for your classroom, sharing it your Instagram stories, or using it as an interactive PDF. Canva makes a quiz creation super easy. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on Canva plus Google Forms integration next. Till the next video.